how to move your Google Docs and your Google Slides and anything Google into a specific folder. So you have your document here. Go up here to this folder with a little arrow in it, click Move, and then it'll give you a choice of folders. If you're like, oh, I should probably create a new folder, click here for New Folder, label it Sociology or whatever your class is. It's created. Then you can click on Move here. And that's all there is to it. Please do not delete any of your documents until the end of the semester. You might need it for portfolios. You might need to grade it for an assignment. You might need to resubmit it for a grade. Please do not delete your items until the end of the semester. Thank you.